There are two types of freezing weather conditions that can affect crops: advective and radiational. An advective freeze is typically what we think of as a winter freeze, occurring during the colder winter months, usually before crops are planted or starting to grow. The more challenging weather condition is radiant frost. Radiant frost most frequently occurs in spring and fall when crops are most vulnerable. The warmer heat during the days is absorbed into the ground, creating an inviting condition for crop growth. However, when the air cools at night, that heat from the day radiates from the ground and rises, causing a rapid drop in temperatures near the surface. This drop in temperature causes frost to accumulate on plant surfaces, pulling moisture from the plants, dehydrating them, and causing lasting damage. So how can farmers battle Mother Nature? With Orchard Right wind machines. Warmer air rising from the ground doesn't just escape into the atmosphere. It is often trapped in a layer above the crops known as an inversion layer. Wind machines pull the warmer air from the inversion layer into the crop zone, mixing it with the cooler air below. Wind machines are most effective when the inversion layer is 15 to 75 feet above the crop zone. And because each wind machine head rotates 360 degrees, a single wind machine can often cover up to 10 to 15 acres, depending on the terrain, crop, temperature, and height of the inversion. From apples to citrus, grapes to almonds, Orchard Right wind machines can be used for nearly every type of crop and are available in communities across the globe. Learn how Orchard Right wind machines can help protect your crops at www.orchard-right.com.